Oppo Find X7 Ultra. Yeah, in this video we're going to talk about this mobile. First of all, take a look at this screenshot. Yeah, a lot of you guys are watching my videos and I am thankful for that, but I need a little more support from you guys, that is in the form of subscription. Can you please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that it gives me motivation to do more videos like this? So watch the video. Yeah, first start with the display size. This Oppo Find X7 Ultra mobile comes with a 6.82 inches of bigger HDR10 Plus supported, Dolby Vision supported, 120Hz refresh rate, LTPO AMOLED display. That's not it. It comes with 4500 nits of peak brightness. Yes, this was protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. And when we move on to the next aspect, that is processor at the heart of the mobile, that this mobile comes with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which is a 4nm based octa-core 5G processor. When we talk about the 5G, this mobile comes with almost 13 bands of 5G internationally. This mobile will be available in 3 variants until the news now. Those are 12GB RAM 256 and 12GB RAM 512GB and also 16GB RAM 512GB internal storage variants. When we talk about this mobile's memory variants, those are like Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 combined with the LPDDR5X RAM types along with the UFS 4.0 storage capacity. So combining all these three, we can expect a great performance from this mobile. And the next aspect, that is cameras. Yes, this is the major section which we have to talk about. This mobile comes with a quad camera setup at the rear side, where you can find a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization and a 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and also a 50 megapixels of telescopic zoom camera and a 50 megapixels of periscopic zoom camera also. Those are also have optical image stabilizations. And we cannot shoot up to 8K, but we can shoot 4K 60 FPS. For the front, it comes with a 32 megapixels of wide angle selfie camera. When we talk about the powerhouse of this mobile, that battery. This mobile comes with a 5000 milliamps of huge battery, which supports 100 watts of fast charge through wire, 50 watts of wireless charge and 10 watts of reverse wireless charge. This mobile will be available in 3 colors. I will list the colors in the description box down below. You can check it out from there. And when we talk about the other features, like this mobile comes with Android version 14 out of the box with ColorOS 14. And this mobile comes with Wi-Fi 7 tri-band Wi-Fi support and Bluetooth 5.4, which are the latest features. And by the way, this mobile comes with stereo speakers, no 3.5mm jack, unfortunately. This mobile comes with all the sensors like gyroscope, proximity sensor, NFC and compass, everything. This mobile also has IP68 water and dust resistant certification. Unfortunately, this mobile is not available in India. You have to buy it from China. I mean, you have to import this mobile from China. Yes. When we talk about this mobile's other features, like this mobile is a glass and metal build. Inside the box, you will get a charger, cable, and a TPU case, and the mobile itself, and a SIM tool, and some quick start guides or something like that. So these are the things that you will get in this mobile's box. When we talk about this mobile's price, yeah, this is the major thing we have to know, that this mobile comes with almost above 1 lakh price range. I mean, to be precise, 1,04,999. That means 1,05,000 rupees. So this is all about this mobile. By the way, if you're watching my videos until now, subscribing to the channel would be amazing. And I have also made videos about the mobiles which are released recently in the market, and I have also done some comparisons. So you can watch them by going to the description box down there, clicking the links in the description box, or I will leave a link to those in this iCard section, so you can watch it from there also. So this is all about the mobile, and that's for the video, and thanks for watching.